Hello everyone, I am Virat Seth, founder of The Keda, where we simplify electronics and robotics through hands-on learning and real-world projects. Take a look around you. What do your smartphones, a drone flying in the sky, an electric car, and a massive space satellite all have common? They seem totally different, right? But underneath the hood, every single one of them runs on the same exact magic, electronics. We use these gadgets every single day. We swipe, we click, we play games, and we chat. But here's a secret, most people are just passive users. They know how to use technology, but they have no idea how it actually works. It's like driving a car without knowing it has an engine. Today, we are going to change that. As we heard further in 2026, the coolest technologies in the world, like artificial intelligence, self driving cars, and smart robots, aren't just made of software or code. They need physical hardware to think and move. If you know electronics, you aren't just predicting the future, you are building it. Learning electronics changes the way your brain works. It teaches you how to solve puzzles, think logically, and be creative. Instead of looking at a cool gadget and asking, how do I buy this? Or how do I use this? Your brain starts asking, how can I build this myself? That is a superpower. Now you might be thinking, but wait, isn't electronics for super genius? Don't I need crazy advanced math or coding? Absolutely not. Every master builder started exactly where you are. You don't build a robot on day one. You start by a single light bulb turn on, then you add a switch, then a sensor. Step by step, it clicks. Once you learn the basics, the projects you can create are incredibly fun. You can build an automatic night lamp that turns on only when the room gets dark, a smart dustbin that opens the lid automatically when you walk up to it, or even a secret alarm for the bedroom door. You become the inventor. So, why start early? Because it makes school science projects a breeze, gives you a massive head start if you want to study engineering later, and most importantly, it gives you the confidence to bring your own original ideas to life. You stop waiting for someone else to invent things for you. If you are curious how does technology work, or if you enjoy building things, or even if you wonder how does this actually work, then you are at the right place. Welcome to The Keda, where we learn, build and innovate.